Let's talk a little bit more about the New Zealand business visas. So we have talked about in the previous videos who these visas is for. So there are mainly two types of business visas there. One is the business investor visa where you're required to actually run the business, and then the other one is the active investor plus visa where you just have to invest the money. So let's first talk about the business investor visa, also known as BIV. So in that one, there are two options. One is that you can invest 1 million New Zealand dollars in an existing business and you can get your resident visa in 3 years' time. Or you can invest 2 million New Zealand dollars in an existing business and you can fast track your permanent residency and get the resident visa in 12 months. However, there will be some conditions, which means that you still have to run the business for 3 years anyway, but you get your resident visa in 12 months. Now let's talk about the other visa category, which is for investors. It's called the Active Investor Plus visa. So it has two categories. One is the growth category where you invest 5 million New Zealand dollars in managed funds for 3 months and you have to stay in New Zealand for 21 days only. And the other category is the balanced category where you have to invest 10 million New Zealand dollars in managed funds, and you have to invest that money for a period of 5 years, and you have to live in New Zealand for 105 days in those 5 years. So if you think that you might be interested in any of those visas, either the business investor visa where you run the business or the investor stream, get in touch with us.